Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 18th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Lineman Appreciation Day. National Lineman Appreciation Day is celebrated on April 18th every year. This day is dedicated to honoring the men and women who work on the electrical power lines, often referred to as linemen. Linemen are responsible for installing, repairing, and maintaining electrical power systems, and they often work in challenging conditions, such as during storms and emergencies. National Lineman Appreciation Day is an opportunity to recognize and appreciate the hard work and dedication of linemen. The day is observed by various organizations and communities across the country, and it provides an opportunity for people to express their gratitude and support for linemen. Many communities hold events or ceremonies on this day to honor the linemen in their area, and social media is often used to share messages of appreciation and support. International Jugglers Day. International Jugglers Day is celebrated on April 18th each year. It is a day to recognize and appreciate the art of juggling, which involves keeping multiple objects in motion simultaneously. Juggling has been practiced for thousands of years and is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. International Jugglers Day is an opportunity to celebrate the skill and creativity of jugglers and to raise awareness about the benefits of juggling. Juggling is known to improve hand-eye coordination, increase brain function, and reduce stress. It is also a fun and entertaining hobby that can be enjoyed individually or as part of a group. Pet Owners Independence Day. Pet Owners Independence Day is a fun, unofficial holiday that falls on April 18th each year. The day is a lighthearted celebration of the special bond between pets and their owners. The holiday encourages pet owners to spend time away from their pets and to give them a chance to have some independence. On Pet Owners Independence Day, pet owners are encouraged to give their pets some time and space to play, explore, and be themselves. This might involve leaving pets alone at home for a little while, allowing them to roam freely in a safe and secure area, or even going on a pet-free vacation for a few days. International Day for Monuments and Sites. International Day for Monuments and Sites is celebrated on April 18th each year. The day is also known as World Heritage Day and is organized by UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The aim of the day is to raise awareness about the importance of protecting and preserving cultural heritage sites around the world. On International Day for Monuments and Sites, many countries and organizations hold special events, tours, and educational programs to highlight the cultural significance of different monuments and sites. The day is a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage for future generations, and it emphasizes the need to protect these sites from damage and destruction. National Animal Crackers Day. National Animal Crackers Day is celebrated on April 18th each year in the United States. Animal crackers are a classic childhood snack that have been enjoyed for over a century. They are small, animal-shaped crackers that come in a variety of flavors and are often associated with nostalgia and childhood memories. On National Animal Crackers Day, people celebrate by enjoying this tasty and iconic snack. Many people use animal crackers as an ingredient in recipes or as a topping for desserts. Others use the day as an opportunity to share animal crackers with friends and family or to introduce the snack to a new generation of children. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.